We're at the Mount Lebanon public parking garage, and we're going to ride the Dover. They must park up there.
System trouble.
That's bizarre.
Let's go up to 5.
Let's see if we can listen to this thing and look out the window. Thing runs really good. Let's go and get a cab view while he gets his parking ticket. There's his car. I'm gonna hold this thing here because it obviously parks.
In the top.
Here's a nice view. Jared's got the parking ticket now.
Yeah, somebody left it in the car. Around the G. Ooh.
Runs fantastic. We're gonna watch the numbers go up while you pay your ticket.
Oh, okay.
It's actually a pretty nice elevator. Jacob, if you don't mind, test the emergency light.
Where's the... Do you see the button?
Huh.
Is it behind it somewhere?
Maybe there's not a test.
Yeah.
So it's been tested.
This is a testament to Dover's quality.
Yep. Alright,
There's Jared.
that's it. Alright, Jerry. Okay.
That'll be it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.